the metronome mark at 70, okay? Ready, go. Rest. So here you can use A sharp, high 1 or low 2 or like a B flat. So you can do that. But I suggest just use high 1. So move on. So this measure, make sure you extend your third finger for the harmonic. So you can practice a few times. Okay, let's move on. Measure, I want to make sure your rhythm is correct with the grace note, okay? So harmonic, so it's extension 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So extensions 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift 2, 3, 4. So make sure when you do the harmonics, that C is the, it's a G. And D, the E is a B. Okay, hold for 5 counts on the G.